chapter number 1. Today is the lecture number 4, and today what we are going to do, it's a question number 9 of exercise 1.1. So let's begin to solve it. Okay, the first question is minus 8 plus minus 4. Box is there, minus 8 minus 4. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to solve the left hand side and we are supposed to solve the right hand side. After solving it, what we are supposed to do? We need to give them sign, less than, greater than or equal to. Depends on the values, right? So let's start solving. Minus 8 and minus 4. Both are having the negative sign. So negative sign are there. So remember the rule of addition of integers. If both the integers are having the same sign, then what we are supposed to do? We need to add the numbers and keep the same sign. So first I am going to add and then I am going to keep the same sign. Okay. So 8 and 4, it's 12. And I am going to give the same sign, that means minus sign. Right? Now minus 8 and minus 4. First of all, I need to change the sign of the 4 as per the rule of subtraction of integers. So minus will become plus. Now the rule of addition of integers will come. One number negative, another number positive. So I am going to subtract it. So 8 minus 4 is 4. And out of these two numbers, which one is a greater number? That one is 8. So I am going to give the sign of subtraction. That means negative sign to this 4. Here it is minus 12 and here it is 4. Now you just decide that which one is a greater one. I told you in the session also that in the negatives, whenever we are having the negative numbers, the numbers which is a smaller one, that is always been the greater. So out of minus 12 and minus 4, which one is a greater one? That is 4. So I am going to keep the sign like this. Is it clear, students? Now taking the next question. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Okay, let me first write for you all. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 box 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Here there are three integers, so keep the things into your mind. Okay, let me first start solving this. Okay, minus and inside it is plus, so minus plus is minus only, right? Now this number and this number are negative integers, so I can add them. So 3 and 19, 22, and both are having the negative sign, so I am going to give the negative sign. Now plus 7. Now this one is a negative, this one is a positive. So what we do? We do the subtraction. So 22 minus 7, that means it is 15. Clear? Now what is the out of these two numbers, which one is the greater one? 22. So I am going to give the sign of 22 to this 15. So here it becomes minus 15. Now see on the right hand side, plus minus, it's minus. Clear? Now 15 is a positive, the remaining two are negative. So you can do a step by step also. That is, you can subtract 15 and 8 and then whatever the answer comes, then you can deal with minus 9. Or you can make a pairing of these two negative integers, then also you can solve it. Okay. I am making a pair of negative integers. So 8 and 9. 9 and 8 becomes total 17. And both are negative integers. So but obviously the answer will always be a negative only. Right? Now 15 and 17. One is a positive number. 15 is a positive number and 17 is a negative number. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the subtraction. So 17 minus 15, it is 2. And out of these two numbers, which one is a greater one? 17. So I am going to give the sign of 17 to this number. That means it's minus. Now you just decide, it's like your previous question only, minus 15 and minus 2. Which one is a greater one? Minus 2. So I am going to give this sign, right? Now taking the third question. Third question. 23 minus 41 plus 11. 23 minus 41 minus 11. Right? So let's begin to solve it. 23 and 11 both are positive numbers, so you can add them. 23 and 11 both are positive numbers, so you can add them. So 23 and 11 together becomes 34, right? 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. 34 minus 41. Now see, 34 is a positive number and 41 is a negative number. 34 is a positive and 41 is a negative. So remember the rule of addition of integers, one number negative, one number positive. So we are going to subtract them. So 41 minus 34, so becomes 7. 41 minus 34, it is 7. Now out of these two numbers, which one is a greater one? 41. So I am going to give the sign of 41, that means negative, to this number. Right? Now moving to the right hand side, students. 23. Right? Now these two are negative numbers. Right? So what I can do? I can make a pair of them. Right? So minus 41 and minus 11. So I am going to first add them. Right? Because both are negative numbers. So 41 and 11 together becomes 52. And the both are in the negative sign, so I am going to give the negative sign to this particular number. Now one number is 23 is a positive and 52 is a negative. So what we can do? We can do the subtraction. So 52 minus 23, that means the answer is 29. Now 52 is a greater number, so I am going to give the sign of 52 to this 29. That means minus 29. Now out of these two numbers, which one is a greater one? 7 or 29, both are in the negative sign. So the one which is smaller, that will be the greater one. So 7 will be the, minus 7 will be the greater one. Is it okay, students? Now taking the fourth question. D question. 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 box 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. Right? Don't be in a hurry, right? Always try to solve the question step by step and remember the rules. If you remember the rules, then there is no any kind of problem which you can face, right? So let's begin now. Okay, plus minus, it's minus, and here there is no sign, so we have to consider the 15 is a positive integer. So minus plus, it's minus, right? Now see, 39 is a positive and the remaining two numbers are the negative. So I am going to first add them. So 24 and 15 together I will get 39. Right? And both are having the negative sign. So I am going to give the negative sign to this 39. Now 39 minus 39 is 0. Clear, students? Now moving to the right hand side, 36 plus minus, it's minus 52, minus it's plus. Is it okay, students? Now see, 36 and 36, I am going to add this. 36 and 36 I am going to add them. So 36 becomes 72. Right? Minus 52. Now 72 minus 52, students. 2 minus 2 2 is 0 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So now just to compare 0 and 20, right? So which one is a greater number? But obvious your answer will be 20. Is it okay, students? Now let's see the last question of this question number 9. Children, last question. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51, right? We need to compare with minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Is it okay, students? Now, let's first start solving the left hand side. So, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. Now, these two are positive numbers, positive integers. So, I can add them. So, 79 and 51, 130. Is it okay, students? Now, this number is negative, this number is positive. So, we are going to do the subtraction. So, minus 231 plus 130, I am going to subtract them. 1 minus 0, it's 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, out of these two, which one is the greater number? 231. So, I am going to get the sign of minus to this number. Now, solving the right hand side. Minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Now these two numbers are positive numbers, right? So I am going to add them, right? So what I will get? 159 and 81. If I add, then I get 9 plus 1, it's 10. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. So I will get 240. Is it okay, students? Now this number is negative, this number is positive. So I am going to subtract them. So 9 minus 0, it's 9. 9 minus 4, it's 5. And 3 minus 2, it's 1. Out of these two numbers, which one is a greater one? 399. So I am going to give the sign of minus to this number. Right? So now just compare this number and this number. Which one is a greater number? So but always we will be saying that left hand side will be the greater one. Okay, students, I hope you are clear with the question number 9.
आभार।